Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections. Now you need to click on Bluetooth and tap on the switcher if it's not already on to activate it. Now click on one of the devices that you want to pair with. Click OK and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, mine were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on the gear icon over here and choose Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!